Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is today's market update for September 21st, 2020. If you look at the SPY on the daily chart here, so today the market is slammed down. They slammed it right into the level of support. If you are a member of Stock Navigator, you will see that this is the important level of support, and the market hit right to the tick and then rebound from that level. So this level here, if you look at here, it used to be the level that they failed to break out. And then they be able to break out and they pull back, they retest, they hold it up, and then they break out to the upside. So the market it already come back here and retest the level they break out. So if they're able to hold up at this level here, we can see some rebound. Technically, we are still in the correction. So, but in the short term, we're looking for some kind of rebound back to the upside tomorrow. Let's see how far they can go from that level, and then we will see the market be able to stabilize here and make another leg higher, or they just put back up and then continue to go to the downside. Overall, the market at YM it still hold up pretty well, but the NQ after all the big cap stock they are going down, and today they be able to stabilize and then break out. So a lot of stock, big cap stock that people try to buy back up. Let's see how far they can push it back up. And we can see in the next couple of days where they're heading to. Right now, they'll be able to check out the Dow trend line, so they push it back up here. We will retest this area again. That is where they failed to break out. So when they hit to this level, we will see the market be able to punch through it and continue to upside, or they will continue to the downside. If you look at a lot of stock, right, even the market going down, but some good stock that have been run up, and then the people take profit. Now they are stabilized, like Target and KE, Nike. Okay, they go back down. People took profit, and then let's see the able to hold up at this level here. CROS. That's another one. He tried to hold up pretty well, and a lot of bio stock is still TWFT. Okay, it still hold up pretty well there, and IO after breakout, still hanging there, and a lot of stock like home builder, brand name like Toll Brother, they still doing pretty well after they found the support, and the last 2 weeks they try to rebound to the upside. Okay, so if you are in our live trading room every day, you see our member be able to pinpoint those level in our live trading room. So a lot of stock that put up to the upside, so you'll be able to see it in the real time, so that you can follow and take the trade and make some money. In our live trading room, we do a short-term live trading on the ES. We also have a lot of stock that we analyze for our members, so that they know where they're heading to. So if you want to check out, we might make some money. Please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for the chance to learn more information about us. And if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will let you know, so that you can learn to see where the market is heading to. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.